How to scan documents on Android. I'm going to show you the easiest way, guys. Let's go. The easiest way is to open Google Drive on your phone, okay? In my case, it's right here inside. If your phone is Android, you definitely have Google Drive installed. You're going to tap on it. Go ahead and tap. And now with Google Drive open, what are you going to do? Now you're going to tap the little plus button, and by tapping that button, you'll already see the option to scan, okay? As you can see, you tap on scan, and you'll need to allow the Drive app to access, take photos, and record videos. You can select while using the app here. They'll ask you here to try out the beta scanner. You can test it if you want. I'm going to click to test and the camera will open up. What are you going to do? Now you're going to place and position it in front of the document you want to scan. Position it. The scan was done automatically, everyone. It's very, very fast. If you notice, the scan is already done and it already appears here in the image. If I click here, the document is automatically scanned, okay? Let me show you again. I'm going to discard it and do it again to show you, okay? I'm just going to click on the plus sign, click to scan. The document is already positioned. You wait, it will take the photo. Done. It took the photo. It's already there. It's already done. It's right here below. I'll click and there it is. Everyone, that's how you scan documents on Android using Drive, and it's really, really simple, okay? I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.